think they're running some kind of sting operation here. So I'm on the side of the road. You can't really see because it's pretty dark here. Well, good morning. It's a little earlier than I'd like to be up on a Sunday morning, but I promised you guys I was going to go to a little car meet and then pick and pull and go see Ryan for a little bit because I got my status mode ready to flex on these fools. Well, we made it to the event. There's only like 30 cars here maybe. And also, my boys are here. Say hi, boys.
Hey, boys. Hi, boys. It's your boy.
Yeah, I'm the oddball here. I decided to park it next to the lowered Civic because I hard parked it next to the smallest Civic I could find. So I make it extra small. And I also brought my hard parking brick, my ramp here. That way you can really...
Lame ass.
And then me and Ryan are probably going to go pick a pool if we don't freeze to death because it's a little colder than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
Well, if you know me, you know if I come to Little Rock, I gotta get my sushi fix. And by sushi fix, I mean my favorite sushi place. I've been really craving sushi for the last couple weeks, so pardon us. Get your picture. We're part of the gang now. Yeah, we're upside down. Well, if you know me, you know my favorite place in the entire world is Pick and Pull, and this is where we be. Also, 5 seconds into Pick and Pull and chill when we found an RX-8. If I had $1,500 on me, I'd probably buy it and just hoon the hell out of it because I'm sure that thing probably smokes like a sieve. I know RX-8s, and they don't last very long, but I think it'd be a bottle rocket till it's done. What do you think, Ryan? Can you buy it? For $1,500. You might have in the market for an RX-8. You know I Pick and Pull. Go snatch it. Also a Sentra. Oh, the Sentra costs more than the RX-8. I always find sad things. If someone's already destroyed this poor J series, it's the J32. It's actually the nice one too. I'm sure there's probably something wrong with it already. I'm just going to tell myself at least. Well, I thought you could actually, there's some stuff you can do to it, and actually I think it'll almost bolt it directly to the wagon. So, I always go to Pick and Pull, and sometimes I find stuff, and I'm just like, it's just right there, I could just grab it. Well, as you can see behind me, there's Element. I came here for one piece of trim, and of course it was broke off and gone. I haven't seen it yet. But, this is an all-wheel drive Element, and look at this. The diff is literally just hanging there. If I take these 4 bolts out of the drive shaft, those 10 mils, I can literally just pull this thing right out. It looks in amazing shape. It's an 05. I don't know how many miles on it, but the fluid that's pouring out of it looks very clean. So it's literally hanging right here. It's been completely dismantled, just left here. I'm going to pull it out. This is mine now. I don't know why, but I want this. Yeah, this thing is super clean though. I don't know if you can see the fluid or not, but it's super clean too. And literally all I had to do is get the flathead and pop that axle out. And she's ready to go. Huh. Yeah, it looks like it's super clean. Big strong man. Just like that, boys. Oh, let's go. Ah. That's a guy right over there. clean it is. Yeah, that's, well, the cool thing is the wagon mounts almost exactly like this. So you can actually swap these with the wagon. There's some new technology with the drag racing community, and they're using the wagon primarily for the rear end. But there is some new stuff coming out for this where you can pin these and do some neat, cool voodoo stuff. So I may actually look into doing that. And if nothing else, I can sell it to somebody because it's in super good condition. And also, I've got 2 elements of my own, so who knows? Shenanigans may happen. And if the element becomes a rally car, I have a spare. Spoiler alert! So what'd you say when you walked up?
So I said I think it's got a pretty good flat, but it's better than nothing.
That's pretty good flat. Oh god, these are the new wheel bearing.
Yeah.
I guess I'll do though. You ever just feel disgusting touching something? I was looking at this sweet leather studded steering wheel cover. There's makeup all right here. Ah.
Cigarettes.
Yeah, there's cigarettes there. There's cigarettes in the freaking door handle.
Did you look at this yet?
I don't want to. I came across this. This is the second SER Century I found. It's cool because it's got a local track Centerville winter sticker. Oh, that's pretty cool. I don't remember seeing this one before, but we got to looking around. I'm just kind of curious why I was here. It looks like it was a theft recovery. You can see the cylinders beat up here. Oh, it sucks. That sucks real bad. Someone probably liked this car a lot. Someone probably was in love with this car. It's got cool livery on it. Sucks. So we need to motivate Ryan to get back on the G20.
It's been a while.
How long have you had the G20 now?
2009, so
10 years. You've had as long as I had the element. Yeah, I remember, because I remember going over to your house not long after I got the element. Went back road. And, so what motor is this again? The SR20?
Yeah, DET Avenue.
Cool.
Japan.
It's cool. You can't really see it right now, but it's got the Infinity valve cover on it. It's awesome. Just take like all the accessories off and put it on the block or something.
Yeah, I'm getting a new Avenir motor, OEM.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna try to get it on OEM power.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun to driving around in last time. And I love it. It's like the best way to kind of describe it. It's like a luxury Sentra.
Mm-hmm.
It's like all nice leather, real. Everything feels fancy. It's got all the cool stuff in it.
Oh yeah, thanks.
Seats are so nice. Like the interiors are so nice in these. They're so unknown compared to a lot of cars, you know. And plus, it has a SR20.
Yeah.
So Ryan, get back on that quick.
Yeah.
And let's next time let's come over here with a fresh motor to put in.
Yes.
So if you're a real OG, you know me and my affinity for procurement of shopping carts. I'll put a link up here. So this is the same gas station where I procured mine, and I don't know if you can see it. What's that? Right there. It's in the same exact spot too. I think they're running some kind of sting operation here. I can't risk it. Plus, I don't have any room back here. If I was in the element, you bet your ass Daddy'd be bringing home a brand new shopping cart. All right, back on the road. Also, another gas station and someone wanted to talk to me. I have not been to one stop that someone has not wanted to talk to me about the wagon. I love this thing. My procrastination has really paid off sometimes. So I'm on the side of the road. You can't really see because it's pretty dark here. My alternator belt has been squeaking. You may have saw that in the last video. Well, it broke. Yeah, and it's, as you can see, it's a little dark outside. Actually, I bought a brand new OEM belt that just fit this. And of course I had it, all the tools. I'll show you in just a second when it's not so weird when those cars going by. But it's running. Squeak's gone. Squeak is gone. It's higher than it ever was. So yeah, I pack a lot of extra things just in case, as you can see. And now we're back on the road again. Man, it feels good to be prepared and have the right stuff. So heads up kids, if you're going on a trip, if you know something's bad and you haven't fixed it, make sure you have the parts to fix it just in case it does go bad. That's been your dash tip for this evening. So we're doing Elf on the Shelf as per the grandparents' wishes. So if you're watching this, grandparents, you're welcome. And Ace loves it, of course, because who doesn't love Spot? I think that's his name, Spot. So I did that for them when they get home. So they'll be home here in probably about an hour. I got some Wagon goodies you'll have to wait to see. Well, I'm going to unwind. It's been a long day. Christmas tree hooked up for the family for when they get home. And yeah, that's one reason I really like the Wagon. Like, I can take it on a 200-mile journey like that, go have an adventure. Anything that breaks on it, I know kind of what it's gonna need. Thankfully, I was prepared again, but you never know when something's gonna happen where you aren't prepared. All right, guys. Well, I hope you guys kind of like this kind of video, just random running around town doing kind of stuff, seeing some friends, doing some out of the ordinary stuff. Hopefully, I'll have some more time to do this kind of videos in the wintertime when it's kind of downtime. I had a lot of fun. Miss driving the Wagon. But anyway, enough talking. I will catch you guys very, very soon. Promise. All right, see ya.